Okay, unboxing my Timo free shipping. Free shipping and free item. Tingnan natin guys. Ang totoo ba? Maganda bang free nila? Let's watch it. Ano ba yan? Ano yan ate? Oh. Blender. This is free number 1. And then the bag. Oh my God, ang liit naman. Ay, it's not so maliit.
That's nice.
Yeah, and my shoes.
So yan guys, dumating na ang aking order sa
Oh,
Timo.
about that one.
So iba talaga siya sa picture at saka sa reality. Sobrang liit guys. And I think it's not worth it sa binayan ko.
It's
Lahat 1.5. So you better think guys before you order in Timo. Or kaya depende rin sa store na papasukan na.
may iron. Wala, lagayan pala ng iron.
Here guys, sa online shopping.
May open daw ni Ben. Ito na tanda ko. Oh, it's very small. So dito lang siya guys. Apat naman. Look at this. So cute. It's a blender. I don't like it. Oh, this is my bag. Okay.